Who said there is no God? Who make that statement there is no God? Who said there is no God though? Who make that statement there is no God? Who said there is no God? Who make that statement there is no God? The Lord has done it finally. Finally, finally, the Lord has done it. Finally, 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 the Lord has done it. Finally, 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 it shall be permanent. It shall be permanent. I have made it finally. Finally, finally, the Lord has done it. Finally. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. Please do continue to subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for everyone else to get this good news. If you see my face for the first time, my name is Sonia, and this is Vibe with Sonia. I bring all the vibes on your table, live and direct, without adding or sugarcoating it. Whew. Guys, just start typing congratulations for this baby girl. Like, just start typing congratulations. Some of you have seen it, some of you have heard it, some of you have touched it, but guys, you still need to type congratulations because honestly, the journey is not an easy one. The journey is not for the faint hearted, the journey is not for the weak, the journey is not for the people that want to give up. The journey is just not, I would say, not for everybody, honestly. It's not for everybody because at some point, some persons might be like, this is not for me. Like, this is really, really not for me. Let me just go and just put my life together, or let me just go and face something. But I am here today to testify to the glory of God and to the shame of the devil because it can only be God. That's why I sang that first song. Who said there is no God? Who made that statement? There is no God. There is always God on the throne. Live this night where I just said, no, you see this particular video, if I don't film it, like, it's just going to be an error, and I do not want it to be an error, honestly, guys. I want to say thank you to every one of you. I want to say thank you to every single person. I want to say thank you, YouTube. I want to say thank you, my friends, my family. I want to say thank you to those ones that believe in me. I want to say thank you, hobby. I want to say, like, thank you to every single person that were patient with me on this journey, that were okay with me on this journey, that were encouraging me on this journey because it is not easy. I'm telling you for the whole fact. It's not go easy to see people who go advise you or encourage you, except only those ones that really, really genuinely love you and really want to see you succeed. Guys, we hit 90,000 subscribers. 90,000 subscribers to the glory of God and to the shame of the devil, honestly. It has never been easy on this YouTube street. I can't lie for you. I can't come here and tell you that it has always been rosy. This year will make me 4 years. A lot of people have achieved more than where I am today. A lot of people, I have achieved more than them, but in all, we give God the glory. Guys, I am here to say thank you so much to all that subscribe. Thank you so much to every single person that is always rooting for Vibe with Sonia. Thank you so much to every single person that is always calling Vibe with Sonia to encourage Vibe with Sonia, super chatted, coming to the live stream, making sure like everything is just absolutely in place. I do not take you guys for granted. You guys are the main G. I want to say thank you so much. Like, I am super excited. I am super grateful. I can't even explain. I can't even express myself right now. But I just want to say thank you. If you are among the OG fan of Vibe with Sonia from the 000, please drop it in the comment section. When was the time that you met Vibe with Sonia? At what subscribers was I when you actually met me? I would really do appreciate because I would really love to know. I saw some persons on my live streams and they were like, Vibe Sonia, I met you when you were 25k subscribers. I met you when you were still at 17. I met you when you were still at 10k subscribers. I met you, like, a lot of people were able to share. I met you when you are 5k, when you are 50k subscribers, when you are 60k subscribers, 70k subscribers, and now we are celebrating 90,000 subscribers. Like, it can only be God. It can only be God. And I'm grateful. I'm happy. And I just want to tell each and every one of you, thank you. My masterclass is coming up tomorrow. Tomorrow is the due day where we're going to be breaking ice, where we're going to be breaking tables, where we're going to be shaking tables, where we're going to be showing people that you can also do it on this YouTube street. So if you have not book a slot for yourself, I wonder what you are waiting for. Like, we have a lot of persons already in the Telegram group. The Telegram group is filled with love. It is sorry, WhatsApp group, guys, it is filled with love. That is where we basically talk heart to heart. And guys, tomorrow is the main D-Day. Now on this masterpiece, it is just going for 5,000 naira. With 5,000 naira, you can be able to access to at least meet other content creators, to also know the simplest way to be able to navigate YouTube, to also learn how you can actually restream your playlist. Tomorrow, Saturday, is the due day. All you need to do is to send me a mail with the mail that is going to be in my description box, fitonoja3195 at gmail.com. And all you need to type is, I want to join the 5,000 naira masterclass. I love your group. I want to join. I want to grow. You understand? And we are going to kickstart from there. A lot of persons have been able to book their slots in there, and I know that it is not going to be a waste of time for you. With just 5,000 naira, this masterclass, it is whoopingly going to be on your table. Anyways, if you're still among those ones, I'll be like, me, oh, I don't want the general group. I just want one-on-one, because the persons will tell me personally, I just want one-on-one. All you need to still do is to send me a mail and say, my own is one-on-one that I need, and we can get started with the same mail that is in the description box, fitonoja3195 at gmail.com. And trust me, you will not regret it. And if you are looking forward to give up on your YouTube channel, if you are among those set of people that will be like, I'm tired of YouTube, I'm getting frustrated, I want to tell you that you do not need to get frustrated. You don't need to get tired. I never started one day. It was a platform I built gradually. You can also do it. All you need to do is do not give up on your channel. I built it gradually, like by the grace of God. So you can still do it. For now, you might not be seeing the views. For now, you might not be seeing anything. For now, you might not be seeing results. For now, you are even getting frustrated. For now, you're even feeling like, oh, YouTube is not for you. YouTube is not like your thing. But honestly, I want to tell you that YouTube is for every single person out there. All you need to do is to tell yourself that I am not giving up on this YouTube journey. And trust me, if you say that you're not giving up, you will not give up, and you will also achieve what you are meant to achieve. A lot of us that gave up along the line, at the end of the day, we are not even hearing from them again. But those of us that said, no, we are going to be on this platform, we are going to strive hard, we are still here, we're still strong. So do not give up on your YouTube channel. I should be your motivator. I should be someone that you should look to and said, no, Sonia, yeah, if she can do it, I can do it. I not get too head. Now, so you said you not get too head. So just keep doing what you know how to do best, and trust me, you will never regret being on this platform. I love you guys. And if you have not subscribed, do what subscribe. Like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah. Once again, congratulate me in the comment section. Yeah.